catastrophic wildfires and hurricanes have destroyed millions of acres of forests and bird habitats. Birds are vital in rebuilding and sustaining a healthy ecosystem, but many are now homeless. Aside from eating pesky insects, birds help pollinate and disperse seeds to help plants regrow. Without a safe place to roost, birds are more vulnerable to predators and harsh weather. An estimated 1,200 bird species are facing extinction over the next century due to severe habitat loss, but we can help. Together, we can protect and save birds by providing birdhouses to disaster-stricken areas and wildlife sanctuaries. The much-needed birdhouses will encourage birds to stay in areas devastated by fires and floods and help rebuild them. So, let's flock together to help our winged friends.